taste-wise and look-wise is similar to dairy butter. But this is vegan. Heat up the almond milk using the kettle mode at 90 degrees Celsius. We will now add lime juice to curdle the milk. It takes about 2 minutes at speed 0.5. The milk is curdled, let's pour into a prepared container lined with cheesecloth. Drain out all the whey as much as possible with the help of a spoon. And look at that. This is the texture we are looking for. Put the almond cheese in the mixing bowl, followed by coconut oil, sunflower oil, pinch of turmeric and salt. Cover with lid and measuring cup. I'm using the Tubo mode to blend well. Turbo 2 seconds twice. Once it's blended homogeneously, it's ready to be poured into your chosen mold. We will place this in the freezer to harden. And here is my gourmet vegan butter that looks exactly like a dairy butter.